Everything is energy. Human is all energy. Energy can flow and energy can block. The only reason we block our own energy is by not feeling the feeling we are supposed to be feeling. Every feeling we have is to indicate if we are doing the right thing to keep and make us happy, or that we are not doing the right thing that will keep us away from happiness or at least contentment. Self-coaching is nothing more complicated than to make sure that you can pinpoint any form of blockage and that you can deliberately let go of the resistance that causes your blockage. It's as simple as that. I offer this channel to explain many ways what self-coaching exactly is, why it is so very important, how to do it, and when to do it. I really, really hope it helps, because what is good for me is good for you, and also, therefore, what is good for you will be good for me. I believe strongly human has to evolve their way of thinking, or maybe even better said, relearn how to use our feeling and our thinking to create our own path to happiness.